Ah, my man.
Emango Harry.
Who's one smash?
Harry.
They're smashing.
Harry's my baby.
They're smashing.
Harry's
They
my
smash.
baby.
Hey, man.
Oh shit. Intro. I don't need no stinking intro. Video.
So, hi, Namibians, Kenyans. We have our gay couple here. Can exchange phones for 60 seconds, just 60.
Sid and Predator.
You can.
You decide.
You want me to start with mine?
Hey.
But it's off though.
Ah, my man,
No.
my man. I just saw your phone. You say
Get
it's
it.
off. Nice, not no. Get in the phone, my man. You see, you don't even know how to hold it. So you go to let him open it for us.
No, I know the password.
You know the oh, that's nice.
Yo. You talking to Jason?
Not my okay.
Last year, I had something with Jason and then we got over it. So I'm shocked. Okay, you are busy with Jason.
We are
Oh,
just
you
friends.
had a thing with Jason.
Yeah.
Oh, you smashed. He smashed.
No, he's getting it wrong. We'll
Oh,
work
he
together.
smashed. Wait, with Jason he smashed first.
Yes.
Hey.
Oh, so shit. My
No,
man,
it's only
don't-
that we work together
No.
only.
You work together, but
Yeah.
he says you smashed.
Together.
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah.
Let's meet. Let's meet.
Don't touch
We
him,
work
my
together
man.
only.
Let's meet.
We
My man.
only work
come
together.
on.
Ah, don't fight, guys. That's it. Now
No.
me.
No,
Wait.
well, I work with Jason.
Can
That's
you
why
get-
you're angry.
You beat him.
No.
Oh, you don't beat him. Are you abusive?
No.
Okay. Bro,
And
see
even
now.
Jason.
Oh.
Jason actually does it better than you do.
Oh.
Now you-
Jason does it better
So
than
now he's
you.
gonna go in this guy.
Hey.
He won't give you your phone if you his phone if you do like that.
Jason does it better for starters.
Wait, my guy, borrow me your phone. Borrow me your
Let
phone.
me tell you.
Do you
Jason
still,
does
you must-
it
my
better.
man, shut up.
He
Do you
needs
still
to
wanna
hear
see the
this.
phone? This one.
Get the phone, but we need to hear the truth. Jason
What
can dress
truth?
better than you.
Oh,
And I kind of
but you can dress better than him.
The fuck did he say?
You can dress better than him.
You
Oh,
got an illusion, brother.
that's not an illusion. It's the
That's
truth.
on period.
Check the phone.
That's a fact.
So he's
Oh.
dating your ex.
Already, let me let you know who to search. Hey.
Oh, you have something. You have something even
Ah.
to you too.
Oh, now I'm bored.
Guys, stop fighting like that, man. Yo. So you have something in your phone too.
So that you don't have to struggle.
who are you
You don't have to
smashing?
struggle.
Who are you
I'm
smashing?
smashing a lot.
Oh shit. My man.
Emango Harry.
Who's one smash?
Harry.
They're smashing.
Harry's my baby.
They're smashing. They
Harry's my
smash.
baby.
Hey man,
Oh shit.
I'm on that twat, I'm on that.
Guys.
Guys,
Yeah. Munsa upa.
yes, guys, don't fight, man.
You crazy?
This is a fight. Man, here's your phone, man. Yo, why you guys fight like this? Why you guys fight like that? Don't fight, guys. Wait. Don't fight. Why you guys fight like that, though?
You better think that we gave David and Goliath here. I was
Hey.
gonna slaughter you.
Hey,
Relax.
relax, my man.
What did he say?
So why have you been wasting your time with me?
Kwenye kusori kusugu. You are suicidal. Ukusa
My
mabibi.
man.
After
My
this,
man,
you are taking your plot home. You moving out. You sluts.
Here.
Call him a
I
slut.
think Joe.
Yes.
Can you leave? It's fine. You have your phone. It's fine. I mean, why are you fighting?
What
Bench
happened
flap.
is that I used to work with him. We used to divide. Yeah, we did things once. Then jiggy, this one, yeah, Jola knows
Jiggy
it.
jiggy.
Yet at the same time, I'm working with it. Like, what is he trying to do?
Ay,
Why are you being a weapon formed against me? Like,
don't fight, man.
Why are you being a weapon formed against me? Oh man, that was fun. All right, I'm gonna see if I can translate that shit. And yeah, they look like those YouTubers in Africa, they be fucking up lives just how they do in the US. Oh man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'm out.